Hello my dear children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and safe at home. It's me, your Kamala ma'am. Do you remember me? Yes. I'm sure my face is familiar for some of you, and for somebody this face may not be familiar, right? Yes. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kamala and throughout this year I'll be with you as a maths teacher. Let's start the class. First chapter, we are going to discuss large numbers. Large numbers. So, do you remember? Let us recall what we had learnt in the previous classes. First, do you remember Indian and international place value? Yes. Indian and international place value chart. Yes, it's Indian system and international system. Indian system, it starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It goes on like that. Then what is next? 10 lakhs, next crores, 10 crores. In international system, you will have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions. Do you remember? Yes. So, we are going to study Indian and international place value chart. Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. So, it starts from ones place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, next lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, right? Next, international place value chart. International place value chart. Indian place value chart, international place value chart. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. It goes on like that. So, first let us see, for Indian system, it starts from ones place. How will you count the numbers? How will you place the commas? So, for Indian system, do you remember, right? For Indian system, starts from ones place, you will have place commas counting 3, next 2, then 2. It goes on 3, 2, 2. It goes on like that. So, Indian system, first 3 you have to, first 3, 2, 2. For international system, how will you place the commas? Starts from ones place. So, ones, tens, hundreds, counting from the counting place commas, counting 3, 3, 3. So, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million, 10 million, 100 million. So, you will have 3, 3, 3. It goes on like that. So, you will have 3, 3, 3, here 3, 2, 2. For Indian system, you have to first place the commas from the ones place, 3 digits, before 3 digits you have to place the comma, and after 2 digits, it goes on like that. So, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. For international system, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. You have to place the commas after 3 digits, means before 3 digits. You have to start only from the ones place. So, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. So, you have to split it 3 digits. You have to place the comma after before 3 digits. Next, we are going to study how to write the numerals for the given numbers. So, how will you write the numerals for the given numbers? You know how to place it. Before that, I'll tell you how to place the commas for the number. So, 7, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9. So, suppose if it is for the Indian system, how will you place a comma? I told you to place a comma, you have to place it, you have to start from the ones place. You know that this is ones, tens, hundreds, 6 is in hundreds place, and next is 1000, next 10,000, next lakh. So, you know the place value chart, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So, you have to start from the ones place and you know how to place the commas counting from the ones place. That is, you have to start from the ones place and 3 digits. 3, and before 3 digits you have to place the comma, and after that, after 2 digits, means before 2 digits you have to place the comma. Now, you got 3, 2, and at last you have only 1 digit. You can write it as it is. So, now 7, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9. Now, 7 is in which place? Can you say 7 is in which place? Yes, 7 is in lakh. So, you can write it as 7 lakh, right? 7 lakh. Sorry, 7 lakh 53,600. Either you can write and here, otherwise no need to write and, you can write it directly 53,689. 689. Dear children, please be careful while writing 50, 40 number names, because while writing 50, 40 and 90 number names, you will be writing 50, F-I-V-E is 5. Some will write F-I-V, this is your 50, but this is not 50, 50, F-I-F, 50, fifth. See, you can split it and write, so fifth, F-I-F-T-Y, so 50. And for 40 also, you know, for word name is F-O-U-R, right? But for 40, what will be the spelling? F-O-R-T-Y, right? So, for F-O-U-R and for 40, F-O-R-T-Y. Got it? So, be careful while writing number names, because in number names you will make mistake, right? So, you got it right, 7,53,689. Now, you know how to place the comma for the Indian system and you know how to write the number name for this Indian system. Let us, the same problem, how will you do it for the international system? So, first write the place value chart. 7, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Same number, I am going to write it in an international place value system. So, first write the place value chart. Ones, remember, place value chart for the Indian system is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crores. For the international system, ones, tens, hundreds, next, do you remember? 1,000, 10,000, not the lakh, here 100,000. So lakhs and 100,000 both are same, you will get the same zeros. But in Indian system, you will say it is a lakh. But in international system, you will say it as 100,000. So how will you place the comma? You have to, for the international system, you starts from the ones place, counting three digits. So from the ones place, you have to count it. 9, 8, 6. Place the comma, 3, 5, 3. There is no digit before 7. So leave it. You have only one comma, 7, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9. So how will you write the number names for this 7, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9? So 7 is in 100, 100 and 1000 place. So how will you write the number name for this number? So let us see 700, 753. So it is a one set. This 3 digits is in which set? Can you say what is common in this 3 digits? Place value 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So can you say which is what is common in this 3 digits? 1000. So all the 3 digits is in thousands place. So you can write 753,000. The reason is why we are writing this 753,000, because 753 is a one set and this 3 digits is in thousands place. So because 1000, 10,000, 100,000. The common in this 3 digits is 1000. So 753,000 and next 689, or you can write it 89, 689, right? So this is how you will write the number name for the international place value system. For Indian place value system, let us recall once again. For Indian place value system, you will have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. It goes on like that. For international system, you will have ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million, right? So this is how you will write the number names. Next, we are going to study write the numerals for the given number names. So how will you write the numerals for the given number names? Write the numerals for the given number names. I'll give you 2 examples for you. First example, sorry, 56 lakh 56 lakh 78,400 44. So this is the number name. Can you identify which place value, which system? Yes, 56 lakh. Lakh is coming, so you can identify that it is a Indian system. So 56 lakh, write the numerals, 56 lakh 78,000. So 78,444 44. Got it? 56 lakh 78,444. 444. And it is in thousands place, it is in lakhs. So you can place the commas now starts from the ones place. So you have to count 3 digits. Before 3 digits you have to place the comma. 444, place the comma. Next 87, place the comma. 65. So 56 lakh 78,444. This is your Indian system. Next, how will you write the numerals for the international system? So let us say one example. $863,563,000. Okay, 863,532. How will you write the numerals for this international place? International. So you can say that 863,532. So 863,000. Next 532. 532. So can you say how will you replace the comma? Starts from the ones place. You have to count digits from the last. So ones, tens, hundreds. Place the comma. 3, 6, 8. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here you have no digits. So no need to write. You can place the comma only once. So you will get the numerals as 863,532. This is how you will write the numerals for the given number names. Let us give you few problems as a homework. You can take it as a homework, copy it in your notebook. You can write the chapter name and you can write the copies. First chapter, large numbers, and write whatever discussed. That is place value, draw the table, Indian and international place value system, what we had studied earlier in the previous classes. Next, you can write place the commas. I will give you some numbers. Place the commas and write the number names for that. Okay, take it as a homework. So, place commas and write the number names. Place commas and write the number names. Okay. First question. Indian system, you can write this in Indian system. So write only, or you can write in both Indian and international system. Okay, Indian and international system. You can take it as a homework, copy it. Please write it in your class book, max class book. You know how to place the commas and you know how to write the number names also. So both Indian and international system. 7, 3, 8, 6, 5, 4, 2. 8, 3, 9, 6, 7, 2, 1, 4. Okay. Last question. 4, 3, 1, 2, 9, 7, 8. So you can write these 3 numbers in both Indian and international system. First place the commas and write the number names for in both Indian system and international system. Children, That's all for today. You can take these 3 problems as a homework. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.